Hello everyone on YouTube. In this video, have you ever wondered what thoughts to have with self-confidence? Then stick around. You don't want to miss the entire video, right? Alright, so in this video, like I said, it's about self-confident thoughts, and I will be going over 7 of them. So let's get started. First one, if you're worried about others, you're overthinking, but not deep thinking. Don't be competitive, but be creative. And again, these are self-confident thoughts with motivation, right? 7 of them. Don't be competitive, but be creative. The third one is, why be jealous in the first place when there is something that people do which is self-discipline? Next one, be cooperative but not competitive. The next one is, you don't have to be a winner to complete things because there's always creativity, but in the right way. And the final one, no, not the final one yet. A person that doesn't start the argument but argues back is the person that others fear and is a nightmare to them. Because it's about what is the person only doing back that I mentioned but isn't starting how others are feared and have nightmares. And the final one, when someone is trying to humiliate you, you should know that they're actually exhausting, because that's what's actually and obviously the end finale and the advantage. And that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. I know it wasn't that long, but you all don't like a very long video that much. But I usually get it longer than this, probably up to 10 minutes, but this has only been about 2 minutes. Now actually about 2 minutes now. Actually 2 minutes now. So yeah, take care of you all, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace. Bye.